When was the last time you played? I mean, really played. That kind of play when you were a child where you were totally lost in it and just experiencing something for the pure joy and fun that it involved. I have to tell you that most of us lose that somewhere along the way, whether it's in childhood or adolescence or young adulthood. Most of us get disconnected from that kind of play at some point. So I have to tell you about this art project that I did a couple weeks ago because I tapped back into that source of pure joy. And it was completely unexpected. I thought I was pretty good at play. I thought, I do things for fun and I generally have a lot of hobbies and things that I enjoy. And so I thought, I'm good here. And then I did this Fizzy art project. And out of the blue, completely unexpectedly, I tapped back into that sense of play at a deeper level, at a level I had not experienced in years, maybe even decades. I have not experienced this level of joy in a long, long time. So here's what happened. At the beginning of 2025, my son and I were looking on Pinterest for Valentine's craft projects. And we came across this thing called Fizzy art, where what you do is you take thick paper and you sprinkle baking soda on top of it, and then you drop colored vinegar on it. It's kind of like a volcano experiment meets Easter eggs. I mean, it was unbelievable. It was so fun to see what was going to happen. The only thing that I had to buy to do this project was some food coloring. We didn't have great options here. It is likely that you have everything you need already in your pantry. I have to tell you, I wasn't sure how this art project was going to turn out. It was definitely a bit of a leap of faith and trial and error. I'm pretty happy with how the results turned out. I can even show it to you right here. So this is how mine turned out. I truly did not know what I was doing. And that's why in this video, I put together some tips and tricks and a little bit of a process so that if you want to try this out, you can do it and have a lot more guidance than I did. And ultimately, I think it's so important that you keep in mind that it's really about the experience. It's not about what you make. What you make is a byproduct of this process. You are going to love this easy, mindful art activity. It's the perfect way to relieve stress after a long week at work. And you likely have everything you need. All it takes is some baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring to make this beautiful fizzy art. To get started, you are going to need a rimmed baking sheet or a cake pan so that the vinegar with food coloring doesn't spread all over your counter or work surface. And I highly recommend that you line whatever you use with some aluminum foil. It will make cleaning up so much easier. Next, I used watercolor paper because I had some in my art cabinet and knew it would stand up to the amount of liquid that I was about to put on it. I cut it in half because I wanted to try a couple different techniques with how I added the colored vinegar. Third, you're going to sprinkle some baking soda on top of the paper. I went pretty heavy with the baking soda here and would recommend experimenting with the amount you use. Next, pour a couple of tablespoons of distilled white vinegar into several little dishes and add a drop or two of gel food coloring. Finally, fill a pipette with the colored vinegar and drop it where you want it on the paper, and feel free to experiment with the amount of vinegar and the way you add the colors. Now, I will let you watch the process with some music, and I will come back at the end with a few more thoughts. So as I mentioned, I used a lot of baking soda on this project. So after it had dried for about an hour, I scraped it off while it was still wet with a butter knife. If you let the baking soda fully dry, it's really difficult to get it off. Then I let these art pieces dry fully and used a dry paper towel to brush off additional excess baking soda. Keep in mind that this art project is more about the process of working with your hands and being creative in the moment than about the finished product. If you create something beautiful along the way, that's great, but don't beat yourself up if it doesn't turn out exactly as you expected. While I like what I created, it didn't work quite as I had envisioned. My hope is that you are inspired to create something with your hands. Thanks so much for being here.